You wake before dawn, groggy eyes glued to your phone's glowing screen. Your banking app hangs a crimson balance, far lower than you expected. Last night, you built the perfect spreadsheet, categories color-coded, formulas locked in, zero-sum math that promised control. Yet here you are, trapped in the same cycle of guilt and confusion. Picture a lone tightrope walker suspended high above a roaring city. Below, the crowd cheers. Above, no safety net. One wrong step, a forgotten coffee, an impulse subscription, a surprise bill, and you plummet. That's your budget, a fragile balancing act built on hope and fear, not reality. Today, we won't slap another layer of guilt on your finances. We'll rebuild your safety net from the ground up, using hard-won psychology, real-life spending data, and flexible design. By the end of this episode, your budget will no longer threaten to break it, will cushion every misstep and power you toward freedom. By the end of this video, you'll understand the hidden flaws that make most budgets collapse under real-world pressure. Master a 7-step FinFlix framework that transforms budgeting from punishment into a purpose-driven compass. Learn to harness your brain's wiring so budgeting feels effortless, not excruciating. Automate away the grunt work so your plan funds itself. Build unbreakable guardrails that flex with life's surprises. Witness a real transformation story proving this system works. Walk away with clear, immediate steps to implement tonight, so next month your balance pings green and stays green. Welcome back to the official FinFlix channel. If you're ready to reclaim control of your money, hit subscribe and ring the bell now. Your journey to budget mastery starts this moment. Most people tackle budgeting like boot camp, strict rules, endless tracking, and relentless deprivation. They believe that if they can just cut enough bad spending, money problems vanish. But life isn't a ledger and you're not a robot. Myth number 1, budgets are all about restriction. Truth, budgets are about direction, steering every dollar toward what matters most, not away from joy. Myth number 2, more income fixes all your problems. Truth, lifestyle inflation and hidden debts mean even 6-figure earners can live paycheck to paycheck. Myth number 3, skipping small purchases doesn't matter. Truth, daily coffees and impulse buys quietly bleed hundreds or thousands each year. Myth number 4, if I just track more obsessively, I'll succeed. Truth, relentless tracking breeds burnout. Financial fatigue sets in, and people abandon their budgets entirely. Myth number 5, budgets punish your happiness. Truth, a well-designed budget funds your purpose and joy on purpose, so you never feel deprived. We'll debunk each myth and replace them with powerful truths that make budgeting feel empowering, not punitive. We're about to transform your budget from a brittle hostage into a living system. Let's break it into 7 essential steps. Step 1. Vision first. Every epic journey starts with a destination. Before you touch a spreadsheet cell, define your emotional why in vivid detail. Ditch vague goals like save more. Instead, close your eyes and imagine waking in your dream life. Smell the salt air in your seaside riding cottage. Hear waves lapping as you sip your morning coffee on the porch. Feel the light desk under your fingertips as you craft your masterpiece. Write this scene in present tense on a sticky note, a vision board, or as your phone's wallpaper. This vision is your North Star on days when discipline falters. When temptation strikes, the memory of your why pulls you back on course faster than any spreadsheet rule ever could. Step 2. Track everything. For 30 days, become a forensic detective of your own spending. Log every dollar. The $4 latte. That midnight impulse buy. Each streaming subscription's monthly fee. The occasional ride share and the random snack at the gas station. Use the simplest tool you trust. A pocket notebook, a bare bones app, or a plain spreadsheet. No judgment. No deleting categories. At month's end, review your raw data without shame. You'll uncover blind spots no template can predict. $300 lost to meal kits. $150 to forgotten trials, dozens of minor fees. Awareness is the crucible of change. Without it, you're budgeting in the dark. Step 3. Zero-based budgeting. Now build your plan around real numbers. Income minus expenses must equal 0. Every dollar gets a name and a job. Fund essentials. Rent, utilities, insurance, minimum debt payments. Allocate to purpose. Emergency fund, cottage savings, retirement investments. Carve out a buffer. 5% of income for life happens curveballs. Create a celebrations fund. Guilt-free treats that keep you motivated. This zero-sum method eliminates wandering dollars and phantom categories. Each cent aligns with your vision. When your paycheck arrives, you simply distribute it, no guesswork, no guilt. Step 4. Automate priorities. Willpower is finite, automation is infinite. Schedule automatic transfers on payday. Rent and bills, savings goals, debt payoff, buffer fund, celebrations fund, out of sight, out of mind, and out of temptation. Automation turns good intentions into guaranteed outcomes. Your priorities fund themselves while you focus on life. Step 5. Build flexibility. Rigid budgets crack under real-world pressure. Car repairs, medical bills, surprise travel, even spontaneous gifts. Without breathing room, one mishap derails the entire plan, triggering guilt and abandonment. That's why your 5% buffer is non-negotiable. It's not for splurges, it's your shock absorber. When the dentist bill lands, you draw from buffer, not groceries. Next month, you replenish what you used. This guardrail preserves your core categories and keeps you motivated. Step 6. Review weekly. Budgeting isn't a monthly marathon, it's a weekly sprint with pit stops. Block 10 minutes every Sunday evening to reconcile balances, celebrate micro wins, tweak minor overruns. Weekly reviews catch small leaks before they become sinkholes. They build momentum. Seeing real-time progress fuels confidence and makes the week ahead feel manageable instead of overwhelming. Step 7. Celebrate wins. This final step transforms budgeting from drudgery into delight. Each time you hit a milestone, fully fund your buffer. Pay down $100 of debt or achieve a savings target, treat yourself. A favorite coffee, a short outing, a small item from your wish list. These micro rewards release dopamine, reinforcing success and cementing good habits. Over time, you'll associate financial discipline with pleasure, not punishment. If this framework is clicking, smash that like button and drop a comment below. What's your biggest budgeting hurdle? Let's tackle it together. Meet Sarah, a 30-year-old marketing manager in a fast-paced city. She brought home $3,000 after taxes each month and still felt stranded. 40% of her net income vanished into rent. 20% paid minimums on student loans. The rest bled away through weekend brunches, digital subscriptions, and impulse online splurges. She carried shame, believing her failure was lack of discipline, until she discovered the FinFlix formula. Number 1. Defined her vivid why. In 18 months, she'd own a simple writing cottage on the California coast. She wrote sensory details, the ocean breeze, the worn wood desk on a vision board above her workspace. Every budget check-in reminded her of this dream. Number 2. Tracked every penny. For a full month, she logged every expense. No judgment, just data. She uncovered $250 lost to forgotten meal kit subscriptions, and $175 to streaming trials she never canceled. Number 3. Built her zero-based plan. 50% to needs rent, utilities, insurance, loan minimums. 30% to creativity and connection, writing workshops, friend dinners, co-working space. 15% to savings and extra debt payoff. 5% to her buffer. Number 4. Automated and reviewed. She set up automatic transfers for each category on payday and instituted 10-minute Sunday reviews, pairing each checkpoint with a small celebration. Within 3 months, she amassed a $1,000 emergency cushion, slashed dining out costs by 60% through meal prepping, paid an extra $200 monthly toward her loans. By month 6, Sarah was ahead of schedule, momentum humming through every category. Today, she isn't just saving for a cottage, she's living like the author she aspires to be, free of guilt and full of purpose. Even a powerful framework faces stealthy enemies. Here are 5 advanced tactics to supercharge your budget and neutralize hidden traps. Number 1. Subscription creep. Tiny, recurring charges, premium apps, trial services. Auto-pay upgrades can quietly bleed thousands yearly. Quarterly subscription audit. List every recurring charge. Evaluate usage and cancel unused services. Negotiate lower rates or switch to annual plans. Number 2. Tax advantage strategies. As income grows, so does your tax rate. Maximize tax shelters. Fully fund RSP or 401k or TFSA or HSA depending if you are in the US or Canada. Explore backdoor Roth conversions or income splitting. Claim deductions, home office, education, medical expenses. Consult a tax professional for advanced planning. Number 3. Digital envelope system. For variable categories, groceries, dining, self-care, embrace digital envelopes. Allocate each category to a separate sub-account or prepaid card. When an envelope hits zero, spending stops. Real-time balance tracking enforces discipline without guilt. Number 4. Pay what you are model. Tie extra savings and debt payments to income fluctuations. Funnel a set percentage, for example, 50% of bonuses or side hustle earnings toward goals. Keeps progress proportional and turns windfalls into momentum. Number 5. Goal bundling and simplification. Too many targets dilute focus and drain motivation. Bundle related goals. Merge vacation savings and holiday gifts into an experiences fund. Consolidate small debts into a single payoff target. Simplification reduces decision fatigue and sharpens your why. Budgets aren't built on formulas alone, they're built on minds wired for reward and safety. Master these mental hacks. 1. Embrace abundance over scarcity. Scarcity mindset triggers anxiety and hoarding. Practice daily gratitude for what you have. View money as a tool for growth and freedom, not a measure of worth. Celebrate incremental progress, not perfection. 2. Reframe setbacks as data. Every overspend is feedback, not failure. Ask, what triggered that? Instead of, how irresponsible am I? Identify emotional drivers, stress, boredom, social pressure. Adjust your plan, maybe you need a larger celebrations fund or a healthier stress outlet. 3. Leverage visual anchors. Keep your why front and center with daily cues. A physical vision board with dream life images, a debt thermometer jar on your desk. Foam wallpaper of your cottage vision. These anchors remind your subconscious why you're budgeting, reinforcing resolve when willpower wanes. You now hold the 7-step blueprint to turn budgeting from burden into breakthrough. Vision first, define a vivid, emotional why. Track everything, log 30 days of raw data. Zero-based budgeting, assign every dollar a clear purpose. Automate priorities, schedule transfers on payday. Build flexibility, maintain a life happens buffer, review weekly, 10-minute Sunday check-ins. Celebrate wins, use micro-rewards to reinforce progress. Embrace these steps in sequence. Combine data with emotion, automate the routine, build in guardrails, and celebrate relentlessly. You'll replace shame and guesswork with clarity, control, and confidence. Your budget isn't broken, it's obsolete. You were handed a system designed for machines, not humans. Now you have a living blueprint built for your brain, your emotions, and life's surprises. Tonight, spend 30 minutes defining your why in vivid detail. Track every expense for 1 week without judgment. Sketch your zero-based plan with buffer and celebrations funds. Automate transfers. Schedule your Sunday review. Then step back and watch your relationship with money transform from anxiety to sovereignty. If this cinematic intervention ignited your fire, subscribe to FinFlix for weekly guides that rewire your money mindset. Smash like, share your biggest takeaway in the comments, and join our community of financial revolutionaries. Your journey to budget mastery starts now. Thank you for watching the official FinFlix channel. See you in the next video.